3, 2, 1. All engine running.
Nice to be in orbit.
One small step for man.
Yeah, with just rinsing, ceramic coated wheels, all that stuff is gone, but we're still gonna wash it properly, of course. So yeah, let me get washing and I'll be right back. So you just use this little brush, get in there. So I'm not using iron remover because my wheels are coated and I have carbon ceramic brakes. The car gets washed pretty regularly, so just soap and water is fine. This is just some cheap soap from Amazon. It's just for the wheels. As long as it's pH neutral, you're pretty much good to go. So yeah, I have this mitt from CarPro. It's pretty good wash mitt. So you just go like this. See? And it's clean. Alright, hold on. Let me finish washing this and I'll be right back. I would say the only downside to 21-inch wheels on the RS6 with carbon ceramic brakes is you don't have much clearance, as you can see, to wash the inner barrels. Like right there, you're not really going to be able to reach it. Let me try with this brush here. Yeah, see, it's just not gonna work. You're just gonna have to learn how to live with it, I guess. But it is ceramic coated, so maybe when I foam it up or spray some stuff on it, it'll loosen up that stuff and clean it a little bit better than this. Alright, we'll see. Hold on. Alright, so the back wheel is pretty nasty, and there's some, what the fuck is this? Yeah, some thing got stuck on there. But as you can see, it's pretty nasty back here, but it's ceramic coated with CarPro Deluxe and SIC, so all of this should just wash off. So let's see how clean it's gonna get with just washing. I am holding the camera and trying to wash my car at the same time, so the camera angles are kind of weird, which, I mean, yeah, they kind of suck. Still trying to work on it. Thanks for hanging in there. Well, I didn't get to spray that stuff off, but As you can see, just ceramic coating the wheels helps a ton when you're cleaning your car, so it's definitely worth the effort and time to get that done. Or if you have someone else do it, it's definitely worth the money. So yeah, I like these wheels because it's super easy to clean. You can get into the barrels without a barrel brush thing, but with this you just want to get in here, clean that stuff out that's hard to reach, like that. And then with the CarPro wash mitt, just put soap on it and clean it like so. Like this. The cool thing about this is you can get behind the barrels like this, or behind the spokes I mean, and it ensures that the entire wheel is clean and it's very soft, so if you have like gloss black wheels, it won't scratch it up, swirl it up, or serve it up, whatever it is. And you can also use it to clean the calipers. And yeah, way easier than the front wheel because you don't have the big ass brakes blocking you from doing anything. So because the car is super dirty and it's got a lot of stuff like debris attached to the paint, I'm gonna foam it up and let CarPro lift up the dirt and spray it off. This is gonna help prevent any micro marring, especially with these little pebbles right there. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. It's ceramic coated, but that stuff still got on there. It's not some magic sauce. But anyway, look at this wheel now. It's pretty clean, considering I barely even washed it. I missed a spot there. Ew. So one question I get asked a lot is, how do you clean the undercarriage without having to go underneath? Well, this is how you do it. This thing is from Home Depot, and it was like 20 bucks. But it's super cool. You just attach it to your power washer, and then watch. That's how you wash the undercarriage. Kind of just go back and forth. Alright, so the undercarriage is washed using this thing. Again, it's from Home Depot, it's pretty cheap. It's got that thing on it. And my MTM pressure gun has a quick attach. So yeah, now the CarPro lift has been on for, I don't know, maybe a couple minutes. It's time to rinse it off and do the hand wash process. Yeah, CarPro lift does a pretty good job with loosening up the dirt, making sure it all comes off the debris and stuff before you do a contact wash. And then if you have like debris and stuff, it can get caught on your mitt, and it's gonna swirl up your car over time. You probably won't notice it at first. Maybe you will, especially if your car is black or a darker color. This one is a white car, so it's a little bit easier to maintain, in my opinion. So let me spray this off and we'll do the contact wash. So here's what's in my wash bucket. Polish Angel Glissante. It works pretty well on ceramic coated cars. So, and I like it. It smells good. I either use this or Reset. Both are good. And I also use Dr. Beasley's stuff. They're all pretty solid. Honestly, it's just what you like to use. I like Dr. Beasley's because it's made in the USA. So that's pretty awesome. So yeah, let's go ahead and do the contact wash. I have the microfiber Madness mitt in here, the blue one and the white one. I have two. So the white one I use for the lower body panels, and the blue one I use for the upper body panel, so like the top half of the car. That way you're not cross-contaminating and potentially grabbing dirt from the top half of the car and swirling it onto the bottom, and vice versa. Some people, they just use like multiple microfibers. You can do that too, but I like this method. So here's what's in my wash bucket. Polish Angel Glissante. It works pretty well on ceramic coated cars. So, and I like it. It smells good. I either use this or Reset. Both are good. Let's go ahead and do the contact wash. I have the microfiber Madness mitt in here, the blue one and the white one. I have two. So the white one I use for the lower body panels, and the blue one I use for the upper body panel, so like the top half of the car. That way you're not cross-contaminating and potentially grabbing dirt from the top half of the car and swirling it onto the bottom, and vice versa. Some people, they just use like multiple microfibers. You can do that too, but I like this method. So yeah, after the wash, you can see the coating is still holding up well on the hood, but it's kind of dying in these high impact areas here. So I'll probably just have to do a quick Iron X snow foam wash on this car, clean up the coating, and that will help decontaminate the coating here, because you can see I don't know if you can see it, but it's not working as well as compared to the hood. Shake it up, spray like that. All right, and then you grab your hose and you just wash it off. See, it doesn't get any easier than that. So we'll try it on the spot that's where the coating is starting to die out a little bit, where it's not as effective. So spray it on there. And it works again. So yeah, I'll definitely do a full decontamination because I drove it through the winter. It's starting to get dark, so I'm going to hurry this up. Dry the car. I'm going to use this Ryobi thing. I also have the Air Force Master Blaster for the wheels and the grill. You don't have to spend $1,000 on a blower or whatever it is to get good results. So let me dry this up and I'll be right back again. So as a final wipe down, I'm going to be using Dr. Beasley's Bead Hero. It's kind of a topper, but also to clean up some of the stuff here that didn't, you know, some soap dried up. I'm trying to clean that up. And we got a visitor here. It's a TTRS. What the heck?